Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time watching, then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this dark green smoky eye look using the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. The green shades kind of stood out to me a lot when I was looking at the palette, and so I knew that I really wanted to use those as soon as possible, and they combine nicely together to make a dark green smoky eye. We've even got you can't really see it here, but there's a light green in the inner corner. The colors really do go nicely together, and it's quite a bold, effective look. It's definitely a nighttime look, or I would wear it in the daytime, but most people would wear this at the nighttime. And it's nice and glowy. I like it with the gold highlighter and the nude lip. Just a bit of gloss on there. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I've got my face makeup and my eyebrows done. I've also got a white eyeshadow base on my eyelids. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this shade here called What's the Tea and a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to apply this as my transition shade. So putting this in my crease and blending it outwards. Okay, so now we've got the transition shade down. I'm going to go in with an all over shader brush and going in with this shade here called Illuminatea, and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid and bringing that up into the crease, and go back in with that blending brush to help blend it out into that transition shade. Now I'm going to be smoking out the lower lash line, so using those same two shades and the same two brushes, and I'm just going to apply the lighter shade first and then the darker shade. So I'm just changing brushes because that one was too big. Okay, now to add a little bit of highlight. So I'm actually going to go in with this shade here called Conspiracy, this all over shader brush, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my inner corner. Now for the rest of my highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Lime Crime Opals highlight and this shade here called Gold, and I'm going to be applying it with these two brushes. On my lips, I'm just going to be applying my Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss in the shade Cherry Slime. Alright, now the last thing left to do is just apply mascara and lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are these lashes by the Shania Rose collection. These are in the style Reminisce. I'm going to pop these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I really like this look, although I am a little bit disappointed in myself. This is not the best blend I have ever done. Yeah, I definitely could have done better. But you get the general idea of it anyway, so I'm sure if you recreate it, you can do it so that it looks good. I mean, it does look good. I still like it, like from afar. But I'm just being super fussy, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to doing my makeup, so I definitely think it could be better. I'm really liking this Illuminatea colour. In fact, all the colours that I used today I really like. I did notice that I got quite a bit of fallout from the dark green Illuminatea shade. That was kind of unexpected. I haven't really had any problems with fallout using any of the other shades from this palette. Well, fallout on my face, shall I say. But yeah, so that was kind of unexpected. So maybe if you were to use that dark green shade, you'd want to wait and do your face makeup afterwards. But I mean, you can't even really see. I've just flicked them away. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe, and tick that little bell button so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.